Today we will learn how to remove an object from a video in Premiere Pro. First of all, take a snapshot of the video. Click on the upper camera icon. Rename it, and keep the file format as JPEG. Then set the file location and keep Import into Project selected, and click on OK. Now move the video one layer up. Keeping the video selected, go to the Effect Controls panel and click on the Opacity's Ellipse mask. Now create a mask for the object that you want to remove. Now select the inverted option and the opacity mask. Now bring the snapshot image to the lower layer. Increase the length of the image as per the length of the video. Now right-click the mouse and click on Edit in Adobe Photoshop option. Now Photoshop will open. Now select the object which you want to remove with the polygonal lasso tool. Right-click the mouse and choose the Fill option. Keep Content Aware selected in Contents and click OK. Now deselect the selection with Ctrl+D and go to the File menu. Go to the Export option and select the Export as option. Now click on Export once again to export the final image. Now when you come back to Premiere Pro, the object would have been removed.
That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.